Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about your 750 watt metal halide high bays. You've probably had them for a long time. They've served you well, but with LEDs you can save a lot of energy and get much better lighting. We have a whole set of options that will replace that. Well, you probably want at least 28,000 lumen. If your height isn't too high, we have our HBC line, which is great for those up to 20, 24 feet height. Will give you great light. We also have a linear option. We'll give you over 29,000 lumens if the linear options you want. Again, nothing over 30 feet. We then have our two industrial grade options, very rugged, 28,000 lumens. And if you really want a lot more light, we have our 300 watt version that'll give you 45,000 lumens. A lot of how many lumens you need will come down to how high the fixtures are mounted, how far apart they are, and the amount of light you want. But give one of our salespeople a call, tell them about your requirements, and they'll recommend the right solution to replace your 750 watt metal halide high bay. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.